Hello students, welcome to Neetu Agarwal classes. Today we are going to do BRS part 2nd. So let's start it. Bank reconciliation statement. This is the second case when we start with the credit balance of passbook. You remember cash book, we have debit balance for plus and credit for minus, and passbook or bank book, for that debit is negative and credit is plus, right? So whatever the debit for us, that is the credit for bank. Okay, so let's start with the question. Prepare BRS from following particulars as on 31st July 2018. Okay. Balance as per passbook 50,000. Okay, they are not saying anything about debit or credit, what kind of balance it is. When the question examiner is not saying about something debit or credit about this balance, we suppose it to be positive. So according to bank, what is the positive? That is the credit positive, right? So this is the credit balance. Balance as per passbook 50,000, we suppose it to be positive, and credit is positive for bank passbook, so 50,000 it is a positive balance for the bank and it is a credit balance for us, right, according to the bank. So what BRS as on 31st July 2018. Format should be very clear. Balance as per passbook, it is a credit balance 50,000, right? So this is done. 3 checks for 6,000, this much and this much. Issued, it means we have given some our checks to our creditors in last week of July 2018. See, up to July 31st we have to make it. In the last week of this were presented for payment to the bank in August 2018. Okay, so we issued the checks, but for payment to the bank in this, right? So matlab all the checks we issued, these 3 were presented in the August month. So until July, till July, no check is presented in the bank. So bank hasn't debited these amounts, but we credited in these amounts in our cash book. So what we need to do, see, whenever we start with passbook, we have to make a standard as cash book, and when we start with the cash book, we make standard of the passbook. So here passbook entries are done, but according to cash book we have to make the adjustments, right? Because end result should be the cash balance. Okay, so this is the cash book से तो minus हो चुके हैं, right? In the cash book we already credited these amounts, we already paid it. So in the bank also we need to less these amounts, right? So we less all these amounts over here. Checks issued but not presented in bank till July, right? For how much amount? This is 6,000. Next one is 3,937, and next is 1,525 rupees. Okay, so you can also add these amounts and directly write down here. Next entry is, this is we done. 2 checks of 500 and 650 sent to the bank for collection were not entered in the passbook by 31st July, right? Same as like earlier, we have paid these amounts, but these are not presented in the bank. Now we have deposited it, but these are not collected by the bank. So कैश बुक के अकॉर्डिंग तो हमने ये ऐड कर चुके हैं ना, अदरवाइज हमें कैश बुक का बैलेंस मिलाना है, राइट. वी नीड टू एडजस्ट द पासबुक एंट्रीज. सो two checks of these and these, we should add back these in the bank passbook amount also. So add these amount, checks deposited but not collected yet. For how much amount? It is for 500 and 650. You can write down here 1150 by adding this. Right, this is done. Now bank charge 460 for its commission and allowed interest of 100. बैंक ने चार्ज किया, इट मीन्स इट इज डेबिटेड. बैंक ने इसको माइनस कर दिया एंड इसको क्रेडिट कर दिया, ऐड कर दिया, विच वर नॉट मेंशन इन द बैंक कॉलम ऑफ द कैश बुक. सो कैश बुक में इसकी कोई एंट्री नहीं हुई है, राइट. तो उन्होंने डेबिट किया तो हम क्रेडिट कर देंगे वापस, और इन्होंने क्रेडिट किया तो हम डेबिट कर देंगे वापस से, राइट. सो 460 जो उन्होंने बैंक चार्ज किया है उसको हम क्या कर देंगे, ऐड बैक कर देंगे, और 100 रुपीज़ जो उन्होंने ऐड किए थे वी विल लेस इट. सो एंड इंटरेस्ट लेस कर देंगे इंटरेस्ट. ओके, हियर इंटरेस्ट credited by bank but not recorded in cash book. That is the 100 rupees. And for bank charges also, bank charges debited by bank not recorded by cash book, right. For how much? This is 460. Okay, you can add this amount. Now the next one. Okay, we just need to balance it now. Let's see. Here we need to add these amounts, right. We add. So this will be okay, and we have to less these amounts. Okay, then this will become okay. So we need to less this amount and add on these amounts. So what will come? This is 51,600 and this is okay. We will do the calculation then we will get here over here 40,048 rupees, and this is a positive balance. So write down here balance. We started with the passbook balance. So balance as per cash book. This is positive. According to cash book, what balance is the positive? That is debit balance. Okay. So you need to write down here balance as per cash book. That is the debit balance over here 40,048 rupees. So this is done. Clear? I hope everyone get understood. Thank you students for watching.